Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today it's time for commodities market update. We are going to go through oil and gold charts. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Right, let's start with gold. And what we have here, well, there is not any kind of the secret. Triple top above 2000. Are we going to break through, or we are going to hold and move lower? In that case, how low can we go? So let's go through few levels. As long as we are above this line over here on the weekly chart, let me go through this with you. Okay, if we are going to stay below 2755, we probably going to go lower. Now of course we can discuss many different things from the fundamental perspective, from the technical perspective, whatever you want, but in my opinion, this is going to be the key. How low can we go? Okay, in my opinion, at least at the very beginning, we are going to retest the level close to 1800. Now, that's the basic scenario. Of course, we have to remember and we have to respect the bulls. Any kind of the fundamental aspects, whatever is going to happen, it easily can push the price higher. So let's make the very easy calculation. Well, 1800, let's say for the easier place 2100, that's $300. So we might go as high as 2400 at the very beginning. So this type of the range we are going to double to the upside. Alright, so we have two possible scenarios at the very beginning. Now when it comes to the lower levels, if we are going to break through this support, that's very important. Why? Because from this point we broke through the latest weakness. Alright, then we retest that level and we are trying to push higher. So if we are going to push through 1800, well, I would expect that we are going to test 1650, 1600, and we might to start to fight with these levels of the possible stop. Why? Very easy. Not any central bank doesn't want any kind of the central bank. They don't want higher prices of gold as of now. Why? Because most probably they are in deficit, so they want to buy on the lower price. That's the lower price number one. The next lower price I can see here on the chart is close to 1400, 1300, but you are going to call me crazy in that case. Why? Because we are close to 2000. Alright, let's switch lower. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the daily chart. And let's discuss this situation currently and with stronger dollar, and we haven't seen the big reaction to the downside when it comes to the gold. Why? Because right now, and it's very important, what I'm going to talk about right now is the move above and trying to consolidate. That's the point number one. If we are going to give up here, this consolidation down towards 1800 is the name of the game. Another thing, if you are the bear, look, this inverted head and shoulder. Yes, we might retest, make number 4 test, and then strongly go the downside, right? Only if we are going to break through these highs based on the daily chart. What kind of the price action I would like to see to go with the longs? Well, only something like this. So we are going strong higher, just shallow pullback, and let's continue. 2400 might be the name for the game when it comes to the gold. So the truth is a crossroads. So if you are not so sure, I would trade the range. If you are so bullish, wait for the pullback. If you are so bearish, well, I would say wait and see what's going to happen around the resistance. That's it. 1800, 2100. That's the name we wanna see when it comes to gold. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the crude. And there you go. We are trying to consolidate. If the gold is going to go higher from here, then if the oil is going to go higher from here, I'm pretty sure we are going to see lower levels when it comes to the gold. That's something I would bet on. Of course, this video has educational purpose only, so be very careful, do your own research. But that's very nice consolidation, and what we are trying to do right now when it comes to that, we are trying to go out. If we are going to see 50% pullback, that would be my entry, and I would go 2x at least when it comes to the size of the break, right? Of course, the stop is going to be tight, right? But we are going to target the levels close to where? This zone over here. We are talking about something close to 100, and it's no surprise. Why? Because 100 is a psychological level. So this could be a very interesting situation, especially when it comes to this summer lullaby, right? Because no big volatility, no big volume, whatever. If you wanna push the prices and you are small, you can do that right now, right here. On the other hand, if we are going to fail somewhere close to, I would say 80, 85, then we might be punished as a bulls, and we might see retest of 65. Failure here is going to be your entry point. Guys, with that being said, do your own research, wish you great next trading session, and watch carefully the levels we were talking about. Take care and goodbye.